This is beautiful, right? Whoa. Say Mado.
Mado. How is it though?
Very nice.
Wow.
Oh, perfect. You know when you're in church and say, come and receive your blessing. This is come and receive your blessing. Check this out. They call this fish mullet. It's gonna have another name. It looks so beautiful.
Have their own way of naming those fishes.
We are in a coal room, right? Coal room, and this is a huge coal room. So big. So, damn. That's how heaven is. Heaven is cold. Hell is now hot. This is called saite. Yeah, I think black panla. I still prefer that one. This is beautiful, right?
Chef in the building. Chef outside.
What is the English name of Boli?
Boli.
Grilled plantain, no?
Grilled plantain.
Roasted, grilled.
Yeah, now.
We call it
funniest
Boli.
part. Let's say Boli. If you say like do you know they actually call it Boli in the East too? Yeah, now. You don't see that
everywhere.
VDM picture, video. When you picture Boli and fish, Boli not.
This is why I like that. Just so nice. This is dope now. Let's see this.
Oh.
So what's this?
This is the ginger garlic sauce.
I'm gonna taste it. Our big chef in the building. Auto lifestyle. Big chef.
So I still prefer this to any other fish.
It's tired of
But this looks good.
It's okay as well. Also, they change that one.
We can't move it. We just need to.
Put more fire over there.
Yeah. This is beautiful, man.
Chef Auto in the building.
I'm not a chef. Which soup are you going to make with this one?
I'm still thinking. I don't know yet.
But before we nice though.
Vegetable?
Yeah, sure. I said before we go with this.
We need to make sure this is the boli.
We call it Boli.
See, so guys want to taste this one. Bisola, come and try. Come to this side. We already add sauce to the inner side, so we want to add it to the outer. And this time around with more oil so that it can be juicy. Whoa, this is beautiful.
Really beautiful.
Wow. Now this is what we're talking about. Let's check all these ones out. Wow.
It's looking delicious. We would have tested it.
Delicious.
Yes.
Wow. Check this out. This is why I love this fish.
Yeah.
So nice. It brings out the beauty of cooking. You see all these black things? Those are the pepper and sauce. Mado. Aji, say mado.
Mado.
Wow. Check this out. Wow, wow. Check the body out. Oh boy.
Finalizing.
It's gonna be nice as well.
Yeah, definitely going to be good.
Mr. Chef, can we see your face, please?
I'm stressed, man.
Say our chef.
I'm stressed. And the sun is burning me, man. You see how dark I am? So, we still have all these. Check this out. We have all these. And we want to try this to see. Don't come.
How is it though?
Very nice.
Wow.
Oh, perfect.
Very good. Delicious.
This is perfect. Really nice. Let's just cover it up. Wait for 15 minutes. And
It's gonna be done.
dig in. You know when you're in church and say, come and receive your blessing. This is come and receive your blessing.
láàrin kéènà níbẹ̀ nǹkan tó dára lálẹ́ rèé.
To ibà. Mo ti jábọ́ sílẹ̀ ilẹ̀ tí kí mi ti máa ṣe.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
Don't mention. Mẹ́pùrọ̀ wá jókòó báyìí. Wá jókòó lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi báyìí.
This is the first time like they will be eating with us. She has never been eating with us. It's always shy. For the ladies, Take this. We still have a lot of stuff here. And there are some guys here behind the scenes.
Yeah.
So
Ready to them remain behind the scenes. Ready
we can assist them. Bless their life.
Ladies.
Mosh, got you. See Mosh, come here now.
I know you. Mosh, why you sit down here?
You can start eating.
Grandpa,
Stop it.